I got this new microphone that I wanted to try out for my videos and for a YouTube or kind of like podcast situation. So I got this one, and this is how it's coming. I'm just doing the unboxing right now on how it looks, and I'm about to put it all together and all the pieces over here, and I'm just gonna follow the instructions on how to utilize it over here. And this is how it's supposed to go. Materials look really good quality. I am excited to put this in the desk and see how it works. So the intention of having this is just to have better sound, to being able to record your voice with all that noise. So especially if you want to do, some recordings for telling stories or books or reading or anything like that, this is a great solution. This is the mesh. I already set it up like this on the corner of my desk. Over here it has this adapters, which are always very useful. So they had this one for the old iPhone port, and this is for the new iPhone port, which I am so excited to try. And I'm assuming that it's coming with this one. It's the first time that I ever have like this type of microphone. I've always had the other kind, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Okay, and here I already plugged in this, and that's the cable that it comes with. And you can connect this to your computer, or like over here I have my laptop, and I can utilize this port or the other one. And I want to assume that you can also utilize this one with your phone. So there you go, and then you can plug in this to either your phone or your computer. So let's find out. This for when if you wanna like mute the phone, you just press it and then it will go red, the volume, the echo. But then let's see if we can make a video with this and see if I can connect it to here and see how it works. Let's see. I'm gonna try to connect this to my iPhone. Okay, and hopefully I'm trying to see if this is gonna make and 1, 2, 3. If I connect it directly to the phone. 1, 2, 3, testing microphone, testing microphone. That way we don't have to struggle with the echo. So all the way down and the volume up. And hello, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3.